What if I tell you that I found lipsticks which is very pigmented, easy to apply, stays put for a decent amount of time and is very affordable? Yes, these lipsticks retail for ₹85. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to see swatches and review of the new Blue Heaven Walk Free lipsticks. These lipsticks come in 11 shades and each of the lipstick retails for ₹85, which is an amazing price point for a lipstick, and they have amazing pigmentation. They give a very good swatch on the lips. We'll see every single one of those points in detail. So in today's video we are going to do swatches behind the hand on my lips with and without makeup, and of course my final thoughts about these lipsticks. So if you want to know what they are, then please continue watching. I will leave the 11 shade names in the description box below. In today's video we are going to be talking about 3 shades. One is called 305 Pink Delicacy, 307 Chocolate Mood and 308 Aged Wine. So these are the shades we are going to be swatching in today's video. Let's start with the packaging. These lipsticks come in a matte black kind of a packaging. It says Blue Heaven and Walk Free over here and says matte here in a sticker. And if you have more than one lipsticks from these range, you have to get to the bottom of the lipstick to see the shade name and the shade color, because the packaging is not color coded. All the lipsticks come in the same matte black formulation, and like I said, these lipsticks retail for ₹85. One more point about the packaging is that sometimes it's just too tight, and the place where you get the lipstick out, here where you just open the lipstick out, it is slightly loose and slightly flimsy, like that part of the packaging is slightly cheap. But for the price I'm paying, this is not a complaint, but I'm just suggesting you to be a little careful while you take the lipstick out. Don't just pull it completely and lose the lipstick completely. Now let's move on to the formulation. Like the packaging says, it is a matte formulation. These lipsticks are completely matte. It has no shine whatsoever, and I would suggest you to apply a thin amount of lip balm underneath these lipsticks. If you directly apply it on your lips, there could be slight pulling and tugging and even slight drying of your lips, which is not very good for your lips health. So I would suggest you to apply a very thin layer of lip balm. And the formulation is, again, like I said, is completely matte. It stays put for about 4 to 5 hours, and then it just fades evenly from your lips. It doesn't leave like a hole in the lips, which is a good thing. Coming to pigmentation, I was actually taken by surprise to see how pigmented these lipsticks are. With one swipe application, I didn't imagine these lipsticks to perform so good. It's not because of the price or anything. I didn't expect such a good pigmentation from this lipsticks, and I give a 10 on 10 for the pigmentation alone. So I legit bought these lipsticks because of my friend Janani. She reviewed these lipsticks a while back in her channel, and she just loved every single shade that she swatched. And I thought, okay, why not, because they have a wide range of shades, and all the shade names I will leave in the description box below. So let's move on to the fun part, which is the swatches. Like I said earlier, I will give a hand swatch and a lip swatch with and without makeup. First we are going to swatch the light shade. This is 305 Pink Delicacy. I have one issue with the lighter shade because it is not as pigmented as the darker shades are, but that is okay because a lot of lipstick brands have that kind of a problem. Like the lighter shade has to be swatched multiple times to get that sort of a pigmentation that you get with a darker shade in one swipe. So this is how it looks. I expect this to be a little on the more neutral side, but this is very cool. And if I don't wear the right eye makeup, this is like my perfect ML baby shade. This is my perfect nude shade, but I have to be a little careful with my eye makeup and base makeup, because if I do like a very heavy eye makeup and then use this lipstick, it could slightly wash me out. But the pigmentation of this shade is not very good. I have to layer it a lot of times, but it's okay. We'll get to the lip swatch now. So those are the swatches of the Blue Heaven Walk Free Matte Lipsticks, and absolute favorite shade for me is Chocolate Moon, which I have on my lips right now. I like the other two shades, but this shade has my heart. I can see myself wearing this lipstick a lot. And let's quickly jump into what I like about these lipsticks and what I don't. The first point is availability, and it is available both on Nykaa and Amazon. I got these from Amazon. You can check it on both of the sites. The second thing, I mean, this should have been the first thing, is that Blue Heaven is a cruelty free brand. I was just checking if it is cruelty free or not to put them in things that I don't like or like, and I was shocked to see that Blue Heaven is a cruelty free brand. For the prices they offer, for the quality of the product they offer, knowing that they are cruelty free only makes my heart even happier. Which is the third point, because the price point is so cheap. It is a under 100 rupees, and I can't imagine how they created this formulation and how they're able to give it at such a low price. The third point is the affordability. I'm talking about the price point. In my vanity, until now, the only lipstick that I found to be very affordable in pricing is the Maybelline Creamy Matte. I'm not including any minis in it because the mini Nykaa lipstick retails for rupees 199 and 240. So I'm not including minis in it. I'm talking about the full size lipstick product, and the full size affordable lipstick that I have come across in my vanity is the Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick, which retails for rupees 299. And the fact that I bought 3 of these Blue Heaven lipsticks, and the total of these 3 lipsticks is still under rupees 299, which is the price point of one Maybelline lipstick. I'm not trying to bash Maybelline here, but I'm so happy that you can find like these affordable gems in the market. And if you like more than one shade in the Blue Heaven lipstick, you can definitely go and buy like 4 or 5 lipsticks, and still it's not going to cost you a lot. Their price point is so good. I'm so happy that they have kept it in such a low price point. But I would give this lipstick around, I would pay anywhere between 250 to 300 for this lipstick quality. But getting it for 85 is like icing on the cake. The fourth thing that I like about these lipsticks are their pigmentation. They are very highly pigmented. Like you see, these are just one swipe pigmentation, and I just love how pigmented they are and how easily they apply on the lips. Which is the fifth point again. The swatches is so easy. They are very easy to apply on your lips. It is not tugging or pulling your lips at any cost. And the sixth thing that I like about them is the formulation. They are completely matte, like they say. So it's not glossy or anything. It does transfer. Like, we didn't do a transfer test, but I'm sure it transfers. But can you see just a little bit? There is not a lot of transferage, which is like a great thing. A lot of my other lipsticks transfer more than this. I don't even know if you can see that there's some amount of transferage here, but they are extremely matte, which means they're going to last on your lips for anywhere between 4 to 5 hours. That is my next plus point, that they do last for a couple of hours, like 4 to 5 hours. And because they are in a bullet form, it would be easy for you to reapply and touch up, and that's not going to be a problem. And the sixth thing is, even after 4 to 5 hours, they fade evenly from your lips, and they don't leave your lips with any hole in it, which is one thing that I cringe about when lipsticks do that. So the seventh point is, they have a lot of shades in it. You can find pink in it, brown, wine shade. I think they have a shade called Plum Desire, which is like a mauve shade. I thought of picking that up, but I then gravitated towards this pink delicacy. Now when I think about it, probably I should have gone for the Plum Desire thing. They have a couple of orange based red. They have purple reds. So the shade range is amazing. They have 11 shades in it. And the next thing that I like about them is the packaging. About the packaging, it is there on both things that I like and things I don't like. They come in a very clean, no fuss kind of a packaging. It's matte black. It has all the details of the product that you need to know. And yeah, so those are things I absolutely like about the lipsticks. Now let's move on to the things that I don't like about the lipstick. And the first thing is again packaging. I wish they were color coded. Again, I don't know whether I don't like about this or not, but I wish they were color coded, because like, I have more than one lipstick from this formulation, and it would be easy for me to pick out the shade rather than checking it every time in the bottle. Even if they were not completely color coded, probably this band that says matte over here could have been color coded. So that is one thing that I don't like about this product. The second thing is, the lighter shade is not as pigmented as the darker shades. I need to reapply and reapply it multiple times for me to get that sort of a opaque pigmentation. And the third thing that I didn't like about the lipstick is the fact that the packaging in itself is slightly on the flimsy side. I wish it was more sturdy, but that is it. That is all things that I don't like about the lipsticks. And as you can see, the pros of these lipsticks way more than the cons. And if you are looking for a budget friendly, when I say budget friendly, this is absolutely budget friendly. So if you are looking for a budget friendly lipstick option with multiple shades and you just want to go and splurge, if you are a lipstick lover, then I will definitely recommend the Blue Heaven lipsticks. They are amazing. So coming to my favorite part of the video, how much would I rate this lipsticks on 10? I would give it a 9. These 3 cons that I said only goes and takes away 1 point. Otherwise it would be a 10 on 10. I would give it a 9 on 10, and I absolutely love these lipsticks. I will probably get more shades once I start finishing other lipsticks for my vanity. People say lipsticks are the last thing that you can empty out soon, but on the contrary, I have finished about 4 to 5 lipsticks for my vanity. So once I finish more lipsticks up, I will start to stock up on these lipsticks. So that is it from me for today's video. I will see you all again in another video. Make sure to leave a comment saying which shade you like the best, and also do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I'll see you again very soon. Take care. Bye.